Disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Sea cucumbers, also known as ginseng of the sea, are a valuable marine animal prized for their high nutritional value and health benefits. In recent years, the global demand for sea cucumbers, especially in China, has surged dramatically. Annually, China produces and consumes approximately 100,000 tons of sea cucumbers, with the market value reaching billions of dollars. Sea cucumbers, with their unique nutritional values and exceptional health benefits, are not just a gift from the sea, but also an important part of culinary and medicinal culture. Selecting and cultivating sea cucumbers in cages is an effective and sustainable method, optimizing living conditions and growth for the sea cucumbers. Supplementary feeds such as seaweed products, fish meal, and small crustacean powders are designed to provide comprehensive nutrition and stimulate the rapid growth of sea cucumbers. Seaweed is a source of protein, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, and minerals essential for the growth and health maintenance of sea cucumbers. Using seaweed as feed for sea cucumbers not only ensures comprehensive nutrition, but also enhances their overall health and growth. After approximately 12-18 months, sea cucumbers reach the standard size, 20 to 30 centimeters in length, and are ready for harvest. Sea cucumbers are harvested manually. After harvesting, sea cucumbers are cleaned in seawater to remove sand and impurities. Sea cucumbers harvested from the wild typically have high quality, rich nutritional value, and are favored by consumers. Natural products also often have a higher commercial value compared to farmed sea cucumbers. On the international market, fresh sea cucumbers typically range in price from 100 to 300 USD per kilogram. Sea cucumbers are gutted and cleaned before being placed on an automatic cleaning line. This line includes continuous washing tanks, using clean water and high-pressure water spray systems to thoroughly clean the sea cucumbers. Sea cucumbers are soaked in salt water for deep cleaning and to remove any remaining impurities. The salt water not only helps with cleaning, but also enhances the texture and flavor of the sea cucumbers. After cleaning, sea cucumbers are placed on a weight grading machine. This machine automatically sorts the sea cucumbers by weight to ensure uniformity and product quality. Weight grading optimizes the processing and packaging process, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Sea cucumbers are manually inspected to remove those that do not meet the standards. This process ensures that only high-quality sea cucumbers are selected for further processing. After cleaning, sea cucumbers are placed into initial drying machines. This process uses low temperatures to evaporate the water in the sea cucumbers without losing nutrients. This process can last from a few hours to several days, depending on the size and moisture content of the sea cucumbers. This process can last from a few hours to several days, depending on the size and moisture content of the sea cucumbers. Sea cucumbers are placed in vacuum-sealed plastic bags. The vacuum machine removes air from the bags before sealing them, which helps to extend shelf life and maintain product quality. Packaging of sea cucumbers can be done at various levels, from basic to premium packaging, depending on market demands and business objectives. Sea cucumbers are packaged in premium gift boxes, enhancing their commercial value and making them suitable for high-end gifts. These luxurious gift boxes convey a sense of elegance and prestige to the recipient. The value of sea cucumbers extends beyond health benefits. In markets worldwide, they are a prized delicacy, contributing significantly to the livelihoods of many coastal communities. In traditional medicine, sea cucumbers are considered a food that boosts vitality and improves sexual function. The nutrients in sea cucumbers help enhance sexual health, improving the physiology of both men and women. Thanks for watching our video on the process of farming millions of sea cucumbers in China. We hope the information shared has helped you better understand the nutritional value and incredible health benefits of sea cucumbers.